humanity and their individuality. They became like zombies in a metal shell.
Hey everyone, today still playing with my little soft66 SDR receiver plugged in once again to my old laptop with this USB cable. Still working really well. I've been trying different software. This is HDSDR. I've also been playing around with SDR Sharp, which is another nice piece of software to actually use the soft66. For some reason something is wrong here, but I don't know why. Let's see if it still works. Okay, it doesn't work, so I've probably messed up something while doing something else. I don't know. No, it does work. And here it goes. Let's try let's just try a frequency range 12160. So I've decided to try different pieces of software, and here, let's put it in. So this is AM mode. Now there's some kind of tone on it. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm trying this out, and one I can't figure out how to make it work yet, but I've managed to install it, even though it's a little more complex. I stumbled upon a website where there's different software-defined radio receiver software, and so I came across this one, which is another piece of software, and this one is called man, I forgot the name. It's this is SDR Console 2.3, but the software itself is like sdrradio.com. Now I've set up, you know, the DLL files. I've set up the software with the offset, and I still can't receive anything, and I don't know why. It seems to have the soft66 active, and even though I did put an offset of minus 50 megahertz or down 50 megahertz, I still don't receive no signals on this one. So I'm really wondering what's happening with this. Still continuing to watch and check for whatever happens. And I'm going to play with other software today. I'm going to install like 3 or 4 different pieces of software. I want to try them all and try to see if I can also talk about most of them on a video. So we're still playing. But you know what? My favorite up till now, for now, is still HDSDR. I've been really enjoying this piece of software. And you know, with the tweaks that I did, I've actually been able to have some nice reception, listen to amateur radio in the 15, 17 and 20 meter band today. Last night I was listening to Voice of Turkey, a lot of 80 meter, 40 meter amateur band contacts. So it's really fun. You know, the fact that you have a nice waterfall that you can check signals from, it's really cool. Come here, you see WWCR. And there's another really intense line here. If I click on it, this is WTWW.
This is WTWW, Lebanon, Tennessee.
So having lots of fun with that. But I will, you know, I want to try a lot of software so that I can actually, you know, maybe show a few videos. Actually, what I would like to do is have maybe 4 or 5 different pieces of software and have 4 or 5 videos, you know, talking about the positive and the negative sides of each software. So that's also something that I think a lot of people might find interesting, especially on the SDR. I've had a lot of requests also of some of you guys saying, well, you know what, there's no instructions nowhere about how to use these software. If you could just make a few videos explaining the different settings and so on. And that I think is something that is needed, because I also am pretty much in the dark with all of these software, because there is not really a lot of documentation. You know, you get a part here, another part there. So, you know, and I'm playing around with this and it's fun. You know, today I'm taking a little day off for this purpose. And I'll be making videos through the day of, you know, findings and things that I want to see, and I'll be installing probably other pieces of software, but you know, gotta go slowly. But these are a little complex because a lot of them require that you download additional files and so on. You know, it's already complicated to have them work. It's even more complicated because you have to add all sorts of DLL files and libraries and so on. The other one that I tried that doesn't work is even worse, because the SDRradio.com website has a license for it, and even though it's free, he's using licenses, and you have to understand how to apply a license to make it work, because they're all expired, and man, that's complicated. So of course I'll be making videos of all of these, and maybe others. I will see all of the ones that I can actually find that works with this soft66rtl dongle. So I hope you enjoyed the series of videos on how it works, and you know, I'll be probably making also in a few days a second review, a little different from the first one. But there's still some flaws in this device, that's for sure. It's not just noise. I've really, you know, got the noise down to a point where it's not that much of a problem, actually. It's it does seem to have high points and low points in the frequency range. So that's more of what's happening, I think, with this device. So continuing on my quest to understand and have a good working SDR receiver. Hope you enjoy the videos.